Hello learner, I am Dr. Purnima Tiwari, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. This is the fourth video for the topic product of vectors. In this video, you are going to learn about vector triple product. To solve vector triple product, you must aware with the concept of dot product and cross product of two vectors. For this purpose, you may view previous video of this series. Let us start with the definition of vector triple product. If three vectors are given, vector A, B and C, then the cross product of this vector A with the cross product of vector B and C is denoted by A cross B cross C, and it is a scalar quantity called as vector triple product. We can obtain value of this vector triple product by using the formula A cross B cross C equal to A dot C, dot product of A and C, then dot product with this third vector B, minus dot product of AB with dot product of C. So, this is a formula to calculate vector triple product. Let us solve one example where we have to find value of vector triple product. In this question, vector A, B and C are given and we have to obtain triple product of these vectors, that is A cross B cross C, and for it we will use the formula. That formula is vector A dot C dot product with vector B minus dot product of AB with dot product of C. To calculate this, we have to take dot product of this vector A with C and we will write this vector B as it is. Now, just recall that dot product of two vectors A, B is given by A1, B1 plus A2, B2 plus A3, B3. That means, if we calculate dot product of A and C, so this should be A1, C1 plus A2, C2 plus A3, C3. So, here we will get A1, C1, value of A1 is 1 and value of C1 is also 1. So, this is 1 into 1 plus A2, C2. Value of A2 is minus 2 and value of C2 is 2. So, minus 2 multiplied with 2 plus A3, C3. Value of A3 is 1 and C3 is minus 1. So, 1 into minus 1. Now, we will write this vector B, which is 2I cap plus j cap plus k cap minus A dot B, that is A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. A1 is 1, B1 is 2 plus A2 is minus 2, B2 is 1, A3 is 1 and B3 is also 1. And vector C we will write as it is. So, dot product with I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Now, we will simplify. So, here we will get 1 minus 4 minus 1 dot product with 2I plus j plus k minus. This would be 2 minus 2 plus 1 dot product with I plus 2j cap minus of k cap. Now, this value is minus 4 multiplied on 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap minus. This value is 1 multiplied on I cap plus 2 j cap minus of k cap. When we further simplify it, we will get minus 8 I cap, minus 4 into 2 8 and this I cap as it is, minus of 4 j cap and minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 k cap. And here we will multiply with this minus 1, so we will get minus I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. On further solving, minus 8I minus I, that is minus 9I cap, minus 4j minus 2j, that is minus 6j cap, minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3, so minus 3 k cap. So, the value of A cross B cross C, that is vector triple product of vectors A, B, C is given by this. In the next question, we will verify our formula for given 3 vectors A, B and C. That is, here we have to verify that vector triple product is A dot C dot B and dot product of AB with dot C. To verify this formula, we will solve both hand side. First, we will solve this left hand side by taking usual cross product, and then we will solve this right hand side by using dot product of 2 vectors. So, the left hand side of this question is A cross B cross C. Now, to calculate this value, first we will solve B cross C. We will apply formula of cross product of 2 vectors, which is determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. We will substitute these values. So, B cross C is I cap, j cap, k cap. Now, see this vector, B1 is 2, B2 is 1 and B3 is minus of 1. So, this second row will be 2, 1, minus 1. Now, the coefficient of C, here we have no term of I cap, that is the term is like 0 into I cap. So, the coefficient of I cap is 0, j cap is 1 and k cap is also 1. Now, we have to solve this determinant. We will solve it as I cap and we have to take determinant of 1, this portion, 1, 1, 1 or minus 1. So, that would be 1 into 1 minus of minus 1 into 1. Minus of j cap. Now, we have to take determinant by deleting first row and the row corresponding to j cap, that is by deleting this row and this row. So, we will get 2 into 1 and minus 1 into 0. So, 2 into 1 minus of minus 1 into 0. plus k cap. For this value, we will delete this row and will take determinant, that is 2 into 1 minus 0 into 1. So, on further solving, we will get the value of this B cross C is, this is 1 minus minus plus 1, that is 2 I cap. This is 2 and this one is 0. So, minus 2 j cap and here we will get plus 2 k cap. So, for this left hand side, first we have obtained the value of B cross C and now we will take the cross product with this given vector A, which is I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Now, again when we take cross product, we will apply formula for cross product. This would be I cap, j cap, k cap. First row corresponding to the components of first vector, that is 1, minus 2, 3. Second row corresponding to components of second vectors, that is 2, minus 2 and 2. Now, to get the value of this triple product, we will solve this determinant and the value of this determinant is I cap. We will multiply this minus 2 with 2, minus of 3 into minus 2. Minus of j cap. Again we have to solve determinant obtained by deleting this column and this row. That is, we will multiply 1 with 2 and 2 with 3. Plus k cap. Now, we will solve the determinant obtained by deleting the first row and kth column, that is 1 into minus 2 minus of 2 into minus 2. Now, we have to solve this value. So, it is minus 4 minus minus plus 6 minus j cap 2 minus 6 and this would be plus k cap minus 2 plus 4. On further solving, we will get this value as minus 4, please change. On further solving, we will get this value as minus 4 plus 6, that is 2 I cap. This is minus 4 and minus minus plus, so 4 j cap and this is plus 2 k cap. So, it is the value of vector A cross product with B cross C. We can mark it as equation number 1. So, this is the left hand side value of this formula. Now, in the second part of the solution, we will simplify right hand side of this formula. So, right hand side is A dot C dot B minus A dot B dot product with vector C. When we take dot product of A and C, the formula is A1C1, A1C1 plus A2C2 plus A3C3. So, we will use this formula. A1 is 1, C1 is 0 plus A2 is minus 2, C2 is 1 plus A3 is 3 and C3 is 1. Dot product with vector B, that is 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap, minus of, when we take A dot B, that is A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. So, A1 is 1, B1 is 2 plus A2 is minus 2, B2 is 1, A3 is 3 and B3 is minus 1. Dot product with vector C, that is j cap plus k cap. Now, on simplification, this would be minus 2 plus 3 dot product with 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap, minus of 2 minus 2, that is 0. So, we will get minus of 3 j cap plus k cap. Now, this term is 1. When we do scalar multiplication, this value would be 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. This minus minus plus, we will multiply 3, that is 3 j cap plus 3 k cap. On further solving, 2i and there is no other value with the vector I cap. So, this would be 2i. Now, this j cap plus 3 j cap, that is 4 j cap minus k cap plus 3 k cap is plus 2 k cap. So, this is our right hand side. Now, when we compare left hand side and right hand side, we find the both values are equal to 2i cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap. That is, left hand side of this formula is equal to right hand side, which verify this result. You may solve some more examples for vector triple product for better understanding of this topic. Thank you so much.